Hi, this is Chris Sullivan with ConcreteNetwork.com. If you think concrete is just gray and boring, you need to be dazzled. Liquid Dazzle by Westcoat, one of the great new products coming up. I'm with Paul Corey from Westcoat, San Diego, California. Paul, tell me about this product. What is it?
It's an epoxy flooring that is designed to go over concrete. You would basically prepare the concrete in traditional methods by grinding, scarification, or shot blasting, and then you'd mix down a primer to seal the surface.
Right.
And once that surface is sealed, you'd basically mix 2 parts of epoxy down that would self-level. Yeah, the epoxy would be mixed 2 parts A, 1 part B, and this metallic effect will reveal itself.
Okay. And this is it right here. This is an example of the product. You can see the beautiful metallic effect you get. Tell me a little bit about, I noticed a satin finish. Am I seeing that correctly?
Right. We've got most epoxy flooring when it's applied has a high gloss finish, and it's very nice and easy to clean, but sometimes leaves scratches,
right,
or you get a lot of footprints on it. So we've developed a process to apply a satin finish over the top, which can be done with a urethane top coat, both either a water-based urethane or a solvent-based urethane, to give you more of a satin natural look. And it actually makes the surface a lot more scratch resistant, so you don't really see the scratches, number one.
Right, right.
And then at the same time, it makes the surface where you can just pretty much damp mop it and keep it clean.
Okay. So tell me, how's the product applied?
Typically, after you do your preparation, you would roll on the primer to where it seals the surface, and then the actual Dazzle coat is, again, mixed 2 parts A, 1 part B, and spread out with a notch trowel. And the notch trowel would basically be combed across the surface so that you can measure out the material at about 50 square feet a gallon.
Okay, great. So you're getting pretty good coverage and you get this beautiful effect. So who's the target audience? Where are these floors being installed?
We've had a lot of calls from hair salons, any of the higher end restaurants that would want to have a nice protective floor that's also USDA compliant. I mean, it's a traditional epoxy.
Right.
So it's going to be like light commercial, basically light industrial,
okay,
residential as well.
Okay,
especially with the satin. We found a lot of our residential customers didn't want that high gloss inside their house.
right.
So we basically developed that process to kind of make it a little bit more acceptable in the residential environment.
So both residential and commercial. What's the maintenance and the lifespan for something like this particular product?
Well, with the lifespan is going to be like any other epoxy floor. I would imagine most epoxy floors are lasting 5 to 10 years. I would look at a maintenance cleaning, like a damp mopping, a little swifter, like you would clean a typical hard or seamless floor or a solid surface flooring. You'd use a swifter to clean up, or microfiber a brush to clean that, and then damp mopping as you would normally clean that floor. I would reseal the floor about every 5 years if it got a little bit beat up. You could wax these floors, but if you waxed on top of this, it'd probably take away a little bit of that
okay.
satin effect.
So it's a really durable floor. Tell people where they can get this product. How's it available?
The product is available through we have a network of distributors throughout the country. And if you go to our website, you can have our contact information at westcoat.com, and we can direct you to a distributor near you. And then we also have a network of applicators who are in our QCA program, qualified contractor applicators, who have done this product. And they will have had experience with it so they can make sure they get the customer the effect that they're looking for.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. That is great information. So there you have it. The next time you're looking for your concrete to be dazzled, think Liquid Dazzle from Westcoat.